you? Really
Wow.
nice to see you.
This has changed a lot, hasn't it?
It has, yeah, absolutely. No, it's a completely different place from when you were last here, so yeah, come on in. There's a sloped angle on the ceilings in this room, and this is a really typical detail in quite a lot of houses of this era. It was when we originally started the works on the house, it had exactly the same angle, but it was less long, because what we've done is taken the ceiling down, overclad it with wood fibre insulation, and then with a breather membrane, and with an airtightness membrane, with a breather membrane behind on the new roof, and then we've put a normal ceiling back in, so it looks pretty much the same. The only thing that's happened is that that distance has decreased. We were lucky enough to have enough gap between our top of our window heads to be able to do that, so it's quite a bespoke detail per house. But what it means is that the insulation in the middle joins the insulation on this sloped bit, which joins with the cavity fill and the external wall insulation. So the whole thing prevents there being a cold bridge, which otherwise you could well get through that area of the ceiling. You can also get a lot of air movement. So yeah.
So this is your external wall insulation,
Yeah.
your line render. I see what you mean about the lovely gentle corners. But what's going on at the bottom here?
Yeah, so because obviously the insulation that we've used is natural and it's breathable, and that's brilliant, but it wouldn't be suitable to be touching the ground and getting water in it all the time. So what we've gone for is insulation which is suitable for below ground use, which has also got a slightly different type of line render on it, but it means that it's insulated to below ground level. But what we wanted to do was to keep the step, because it's quite visible in all of the other houses around. So we've made that step in the insulation as a positive aesthetic choice, as well as one which, because the insulation below ground is slightly more efficient than the wood fibre, we managed to keep the U values all safe.
So this heat pump is really neat, tucked in around the back here, isn't it, with the EV charger? You're in the Lake District National Park, aren't you? Did you have any issues with the plan?
No, we didn't at all, actually. It was part of the original application we put in, and it was one of the things that was supported by the local council. They really wanted to support kind of low energy builds, and we're supportive of both the solar panels, which are on the back of the house, and also the heat pump. And yeah, it was a good problem.
So these radiators are really dinky, aren't they? I love them. They're really sleek and
yeah, they're great. I mean, you have to have a larger radiator to make it work with a heat pump, so we knew that, and we had a look at the sizing, and obviously once we knew what scale of radiator we were looking for, we just had a look around really for the ones that would have the least visual impact on the room, and found these and thought, yeah, that works pretty well.
And then of course you put your underfloor heating.
Exactly.
You've got new floors.
Yeah, so we've got no radiators in the extension, so yeah, that works really well.
So do you have a call for action for anybody considering retrofit?
Yeah, sure. So I think our experience of retrofit is that it makes a really massive difference to the way that you live. It creates all the things that you want in a home. It's cosy, it's efficient, it feels really welcoming, and a lovely space for us to live in, but it's also makes a big impact for everyone else as well. It's if you can do this to houses, which then make our housing stock more efficient, you're doing something for everyone, which feels like a really important part of what you can contribute if you have the opportunity to.